I would describe Monitor as innovative,
longsiktig,
keikhlasan,
dynaamista,
落地, kepercayaan,
down to earth.
Engasjert.
inkluderende.
Det er som å jobbe i en stor, lykkelig familie. Vi har det morsomt og gøy på jobb.
Why do I work at the Monitor? I feel very push-backed and supported to take new decisions and also have a great company with my colleagues. They are always there to support me.
With a strong corporate culture and by living our core values, we create conditions to succeed. We are a big, committed family from all around the world. Together, we shape the future of the manufacturing industry. Our goal is clear: to be the first choice of ERP-system. We are more than just colleagues. We are family. We are Monitor.